Question number 57. In this, we have to create a program to print the month of year based on the number 1 to 12 in with the input given by the user. So, in this program, we will use the switch operator. So, first of all, we create another class, which is the month of year void main. This we want to static void main and SUT enter the month. Now we take input using the scanner, new scanner, so system dot in and month equal to scanner next int, and now we create a switch string once equal to switch month, and in this we have to write case string in case of string month is 1 equal to January plus 2 22 3 March April April May June July August. Yeah. September, October, November, and at last right December 12, 11, 10. We take input month, what is showing an order in month. Oh yeah, we have to default invalid invalid input. Mhm. Now we take the output SOUT current one is you have to enter the month, so we enter one, so it is January. Divide 12, then it is December. We write an invalid one, so it is invalid input. So in this way, we have completed another question.